Yo, what's up everybody? Feeling exhausted? Today, we're exposing those sneaky habits that make your wallet cry. Ever check your bank account and wonder, where'd it all go? Let's break down 10 habits draining your funds faster than you can say financial freedom. Get ready to laugh, cringe, and learn how to keep more cash in your pocket. Let's do this. Who doesn't love a fancy latte? There's something almost magical about stepping into your favorite coffee shop, the aroma of freshly ground beans in the air, the gentle hum of conversation and the anticipation as you watch the barista craft your drink with care. For many of us, that daily latte is more than just a beverage. It's a ritual, a small luxury that brightens our morning and gives us a moment of comfort before the day begins. That first sip feels like a warm hug, wrapping you in a sense of calm and satisfaction. It's a little treat, a reward for getting out of bed, or a pick-me-up during a busy afternoon. It's easy to see why so many of us make it a daily habit. But here's the catch. Those $5 lattes add up quickly. If you're grabbing one every weekday, that's $25 a week, and by the end of the month, you've spent around $100 just on coffee. Over the course of a year, that's $1,200, enough for a weekend getaway, a new laptop, or a significant boost to your savings account. It's easy to overlook these small daily expenses because they don't feel like much in the moment, but they can quietly drain your wallet over time. Imagine if, instead of spending that money on daily coffee runs, you put it aside. Each $5 bill you save could go towards something bigger, an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or even investing in your future. Watching your savings grow can be just as satisfying as that first sip of coffee, and it gives you a sense of control and accomplishment. Brewing coffee at home might not have the same glamorous vibe as your favorite cafe, but it can be a rewarding experience in its own right. You get to experiment with different beans, brewing methods, and flavors, all while saving a significant amount of money. Plus, you can make your coffee exactly the way you like it. No more waiting in line or hoping the barista gets your order just right. And who says you can't get creative at home? With a little practice, you can become your own barista, mastering latte art, trying out new recipes, and discovering unique flavor combinations. There are countless tutorials and guides online to help you elevate your home coffee game, turning your kitchen into your own personal cafe. You might even surprise yourself and invent the next big coffee craze. Sharing your creations with friends and family can make the experience even more enjoyable, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're saving money while still indulging in your love for great coffee. So, the next time you're tempted by that $5 latte, remember, small daily expenses can make a big difference over time. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy your coffee and watch your savings grow, one cup at a time. We've all been there, lying in bed, the glow of your phone lighting up the room, mindlessly scrolling through endless feeds. Maybe you're winding down after a long day, or maybe you just can't sleep. Either way, your thumb seems to have a mind of its own, and before you know it, you're deep in the Amazon app, surrounded by a sea of products you never knew existed. Suddenly, you're convinced you need a banana slicer, a taco holder shaped like a dinosaur, or a mug that stirs itself. You start reading reviews from people who claim these gadgets changed their lives, and you wonder how you've survived this long without them. The more you scroll, the more you find, each item more ridiculous and tempting than the last. That add to cart rush is real. It's like a tiny hit of dopamine every time you click. The anticipation builds as you imagine your new gadget arriving at your doorstep, ready to solve a problem you didn't even know you had. But here's the catch. Those impulse buys add up fast. What starts as a harmless $10 purchase can quickly snowball into a mountain of boxes and a shrinking bank account. Amazon makes it way too easy to fill your place with stuff you don't need. With one-click ordering and lightning-fast shipping, it's almost effortless to accumulate a collection of things that end up forgotten in a drawer or gathering dust on a shelf. Before you know it, your living room looks like a warehouse, and you can't even remember what's inside half the boxes. So next time you're about to click Buy Now, take a second to pause. Ask yourself, do I really need this or am I just bored? Try waiting 24 hours before making the purchase. You might be surprised how often the urge fades away. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making sure your purchases actually add value to your life, not just clutter to your space. Unless, of course, it's a Mr. Beast t-shirt, then obviously you need it. Some things are just worth the splurge. But for everything else, a little pause can save you money, space, and maybe even your sanity. Who among us hasn't signed up for a free trial, thinking we'd remember to cancel before the charges hit? We tell ourselves, I'll just set a reminder, or I'll use it so much it'll be worth it. But let's be honest, life gets busy and those reminders get buried under a mountain of notifications. Before you know it, another month has passed, and your bank account is quietly leaking money for services you barely remember signing up for. Subscriptions are sneaky. They renew automatically, often without so much as a warning, and the charges blend in with the rest of your expenses. It's easy to overlook a few dollars here and there, but over time those forgotten subscriptions can add up to a significant drain on your finances. Maybe it's a streaming service you barely watch, a fitness app you stopped using, or a magazine you never read. Each one seems harmless, but together, they quietly chip away at your hard-earned money. We all start with the best intentions. Maybe you wanted to try a new workout routine, learn a language, or get exclusive access to the latest shows. Signing up feels exciting and full of promise. But as the weeks go by, life gets in the way. Work piles up, social plans take over, and suddenly, that subscription you were so excited about is just another forgotten charge on your statement. It happens to the best of us. The good news? You can take back control. Set aside a few minutes to go through your bank statements or credit card bills. Look for those recurring charges, especially the small ones that are easy to miss. Make a list of every subscription you're paying for, and ask yourself, do I really use this? If the answer is no, don't hesitate, cancel it. Most services make it easy to unsubscribe online, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save with just a little effort. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll feel a sense of relief knowing you're no longer paying for things you don't use. It's like decluttering your finances. Suddenly you have more breathing room, and your money is working for you, not against you. Plus, you'll have extra cash to spend on things that actually bring you joy. Imagine all the possibilities for that newfound money. Maybe it's treating yourself to a night out with friends, saving up for something special, or simply enjoying a few extra slices of your favorite pizza. The point is, you get to decide where your money goes, instead of letting forgotten subscriptions decide for you. So take a few minutes today to clean out your subscription graveyard. Your future self, and your taste buds, will thank you. Now that's what I call a good investment. I'll admit it, I love takeout, but those food delivery apps know our weaknesses and drain our wallets. Before you know it, your grocery budget is gone on a single meal. And half the time, takeout isn't even that great. Next time you're tempted, try cooking at home instead. You'll save money and maybe discover your inner chef. Who knows, you could be the next Gordon Ramsay, minus the yelling. Ever buy something full price, then see it on sale a week later? Brutal. The cure patience. Add items to your wish list and wait for sales. Sign up for email alerts from your favorite stores for deals and discounts. Embrace coupons. They're not just for your grandma. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Or, in Mr. Beast terms, another dollar for a future giveaway. That's a sale worth waiting for. Checking your bank statement can feel like facing a financial black hole. But you can't fix what you don't track. Use apps to track spending, create budgets, and set goals. Make it a game. Outsmart your spending habits and come out on top. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one giving away money someday. Okay, maybe not Mr. Beast level, but a little motivation never hurts. Start tracking, start winning. The convenience tax, those sneaky fees for delivery, service, and laziness. Need groceries delivered, convenience tax, order food online, more fees. These charges add up fast, sometimes $10, $20 or more a month. Next time, ask yourself, is it really worth it? Maybe that walk to the coffee shop isn't so bad after all. You'll save money and get a free workout. That's a win-win. We've all opened the fridge to find a science experiment instead of dinner. Moldy leftovers and wilted veggies are just money in the trash. Every time you toss expired groceries, you're throwing away cash. The fix? Master meal planning and stick to your grocery list. Get creative with leftovers, turn them into something new. Wasting food is wasting money. Let's keep those dollars in your pocket. Paying to access your own money? That's just wrong. Use your own bank's ATM whenever possible to avoid fees. Plan ahead and withdraw larger amounts less often. If you must use an out-of-network ATM, combine it with a purchase that offers cash back. Simple tricks can save you a few bucks over time. Every penny counts, especially if you're saving for something big. Hey, a Mr. Beast can dream, right? We've all been brainwashed by brand names at some point. Fancy logos and celebrity endorsements make us think we need overpriced products. But generic brands are often just as good, sometimes better. Next time you shop, compare prices and try the generic option. You might be surprised at the savings and the quality. Don't let marketing fool you, be a savvy shopper, your wallet will thank you. There you have it, 10 habits secretly draining your wallet. Now that you know, start making small changes to keep more cash where it belongs, in your pocket. I'm off to brew some coffee and resist buying a life-size giraffe on Amazon. Wish me luck.